Imagine owning a home in Vizag's first true micro-gated community, where every month your dream is getting closer to reality. This is Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects, and this is your November 2025 construction update. On the outside, the structure is transforming fast, with elevation plastering completed on the east and north faces, giving the building a sharper, premium look. Step inside, and you'll see electrical conduits and metal boxes neatly laid and fixed in flats 401, 402, and 502, now fully ready for wall plastering. Inside the towers, finishing is picking up pace. Internal plastering in flat 02 and 401 is now 100% done, bringing them one big step closer to final fit-outs. Flat 402 is also underway, with plastering in progress and momentum building up floor by floor. If you're looking to invest in a limited, well-connected, future-ready community, this is the right time to take a closer look at Aalayam. If you enjoyed this update, hit like, share this video with friends and family who are searching for a home in Vizag, and don't forget to subscribe to Veerapaneni Infra Projects for monthly site progress and project insights.